In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone not turning off when idle after iOS 18 update and doesn't turn off automatically. Follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap onto display and brightness. Turn off always on display. This keeps the screen on even when locked, so turn it off. Turn off also raise to wake. It prevents the screen from turning on when picked up. Adjust auto lock to 30 seconds. Here, set it to 30 seconds. And that's it. Your problem should be solved. And if you're still facing the problem, you can try force restart your iPhone. To do it, you can quickly release the volume up and volume down button, then hold the side button and turn your iPhone off. Just restart your iPhone. That's it. It won't delete any of your data, so don't worry about that. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.